Hello crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and today I'm going to show you some of the fresh paint papers from Close to My Heart. So I just pulled out, I've been using this pack for a few projects, so I pulled out what I had as far as pieces parts, because sometimes when you limit what I start with, it helps me. And then this is a layout by MK Gunn, some assembly required. She does amazing mixed media things, always has the gears and great, I would call them more boy themed layouts. And visually, her eye for what she takes photos of just intrigues me. So be sure to go check her out. I will have a link in the description for her. So that's part of the May I Scraplift You May. And I do have to apologize. My footage from the camera got corrupted. So I have the very first part of starting my mixed media, but I don't have anything else. So then today, as I was starting to edit the video and realized all of my files were corrupted, I am going to show you the layout and kind of talk you through some of the things I used. But we have an artist in our house, so I got his cast off watercolor set. So that's what I'm using here on the left. And I just mixed some different colors that I thought would work with the paper pack. That's what the zip strip is down along the right hand side of my paper. It was kind of my gauge or color palette. And then I'm just kind of doing these circles like she did. I watched her video a couple times and I was in awe because she like did these circles and then stamped right over top of them, and they were the exact right size. She never even had to say, oh, I need a circle about this big. She just did it. So here we are again. I apologize for my corrupted files, but so what I did is with this perfectly imperfect stamp set, because I'm not yet comfortable just adding on splashes of paint and having it all meld in together, I used a couple of the stamps and did all around the edges in black, and I just kind of varied how much of it was on the page. And then here I'm showing you that I made a custom mat for my two photos. I kind of tucked one in under the other, but instead of having two mats where it kind of split the line, I just put them down together on cardstock and then cut out around them with the same border. And then I love this little typewriter key for either secondary titles or sometimes the title itself. So that's what I used to do Cedar Point. And then in MK's layout, she had some stamping of words that was off to the bottom right corner, and that's where I did my journaling. So here you can see with that perfectly imperfect stamp set, I took one of the speckled stamps and again in first and second generation, kind of speckled some background. And I did do freehand, which I'm kind of disappointed I don't get to show you, kind of those lines, kind of giving it that industrial look, or that's what I was kind of hoping for from MK's inspiration. Here's where you can catch up with me. I do have a Facebook group, Crafting with Amanda VIP group. Here's another video you may be interested in. Check out everybody that's doing the May I Scraplift You in May Hop, and have a blessed day. Thank you.